Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Okay, what I want to do is continue with mathematics, GCSE, and we're going to do numbers. Well, it should be numbers, okay? And this unit here we can refer to as 1, but this unit doesn't really apply to yourself, as you would not have done these in any kind of sequence, okay? Right, what we're going to look at today is subtraction, okay? And how do we do this? Now let me just see if they've given me a solution. Not yet, not quite. So we're looking at subtraction, multiplication, and I'm hoping the next one is well, there should have been a division here somewhere, but obviously that might come along a little bit later. Okay. And here we're looking at what the previous subtraction questions were, and I'm hoping that here we are. We have got multiplications. Okay. Now let me see if we have followed this process through, and let me just see what information we have here. Okay, see how we can. Okay, division. Like that. No. Okay, we're not going to do that. So let's look at these in your format. Now what I'm going to try and do is to do some of these for yourselves. But please remember that you need to write the work out for yourself so that you have and develop your own style of learning, okay? Just make this a little bit bigger here. Okay. Move it to my left a bit, okay. Okay, subtraction. And I think that's the first one, yes, okay, we can go with that. Let me just get my pen. And I'm going to go with this color for now. Okay. And what I want to do here first is look at this in a different manner. So we have 4 6 2 minus 1 2 0. Okay. Two take away nothing leaves 2. Okay. 6 take away 2 leaves 4. And 4 take away 1 leaves 3. So the answer is 342. Now feel free to check for yourselves. Make sure that you've applied the correct principle of subtraction. Okay, I'm only going to do an example in each case. Okay, I will not be doing them all for you. This is important that you now begin to apply some of these for yourself. Look at how this one it would be implemented and what you will need to do for it. Okay. Doorbell is just gone, as you may have heard it, but I'm afraid I'm not stopping right now. Okay. The multiplication. Seven, 8, 56. Okay. So 8 times 7, we have 1. Here we're going to look at oh crumbs. That's the missus shouting the head off. Let me just see. I've closed the door. Okay. He does not know that I'm on doing a video at the moment, but I will not be editing it out. Telling you now. For start. Okay. 7. Okay. So this is simple timetable. This is okay. Terminate. That's simply equal to 56. Yeah. Okay. And here, if you're going to multiply this, let me do this one for you. I'm going to bring this number 6 down to here, okay, over here, so you can see what I'm doing, hopefully. Okay, so if we take 2, 4, 5, okay, set it down. Now you need to write this out so you understand the concept behind it. Okay, times by 4. Okay, okay. Now 5 times 4, or 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so I put the 20 on my slide here as my workout little I'm going to call this my workout column. Okay, cross the naught out, put the naught in. Okay, remainder 2. 4 fours, 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. Okay, now cross the 8 out, put the 8 in. Okay, one remainder. Okay, so you know that's gone already. One remainder. 4 times 2, 24 is 8. Add 1 is 9. $980. Okay, and that is correct. Okay, 980. So I'm not going to do too many for you. I want you now to apply double 486. Double 486. Which number is 3 times greater than 297? So you will multiply that 297. You multiply that by, so you take 297, nine, 7 times 3. Okay, and that's what you would do with that. That's how you would solve that one. Okay. Now, sorry about the racket, but I'm still not deleting it. Okay, let me just do this for you now. 3, 7, 21, so that will come out as 21, okay? So we 21 on the side, okay? We cross the 1 out, we put the 1 in, okay? 3 9s, 3 9 is what? 27, 3 9 27, plus 2, it comes just gives us 29, okay? Cross the 9 out, okay? Put the 9 in. 3 2 6, plus 2 equals 8, so that gives us 891, and again that is correct, okay? Now do this for yourselves, okay? Right, and follow them through. Now here we have subtraction, okay? Now everybody should be able to do this, but believe me when I tell you that we have people who does not understand the concepts of these things. So it is important that we make sure that everybody understands and knows how it is done. And so if I took this one here for instance and did an example on it, okay, we'll take it 4 6 2, okay, minus 1 20 over, well, sorry, not over anything. Draw my answer question. Oh, just rub him out for a minute. Go back to my pen. Okay, naught from 2 take away naught, leaves 2, okay. 6 take away 2 leaves 4, and 4 take away 1 leaves 3. So 342, okay. Okay, that's good. And again, did we just do the multiplications up there? We just did. So you can follow this through now for yourselves, and and here look at, do the similar thing here as well, division. Okay, now division. That's easily enough to do, okay? But always write your division down when you're doing division in a bracket form. Use this kind of method so you can see the answer. So if we divide in 8 divided by 4, so that the 8 will go into here, okay, and the 4 will go outside, and that will go twice, okay. Okay. If we take this one here, for instance, the 48, and I'm going to bring it down here, okay, just so that I have some space to work on. And again, I'm putting a bracket, okay, and it's my bracket, okay. 48, put it in, okay, and I'm doing 4, okay. So here 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 8 goes twice, so the answer here is 12, and we know the answer is correct, okay. The answer is also correct, okay. Right, now I hope you understand this. Now look at here for your answers, okay. I'm leaving these here for you so you can see your answers and check them for yourself, okay. You must get these answers correct, okay. Now write them out, do them for yourself, and you should find that. I hope you found this useful for your own practice, okay. The multiplications are simple enough. That's done already. We simply apply what you did earlier here. Well, here. Okay. Okay. Just want to make sure that we got everything in view, and it's numbers and mathematics, GCSE mathematics. Okay, thank you. I hope you found this useful. Have a good day, and bye bye for now.